Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another dinosaur. This time it's gonna be the Dilophosaurus, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So here is my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking dinosaur, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to start out with the eye area first. We're just going to draw in one little curve on top. So this will be kind of like the eyebrow area. And then right underneath, just keep it simple. We're just going to add a little circle. And then to finish up the eyeball, I'm just going to add a little dot inside. So just be looking straight forward. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the whole snout area. So just right above right here. Just come down, all the way down. This is going to be the tip of the mouth. And then from here we're going to come down here. We're going to draw part of the mouth down here first. So just right below the eye. Draw a little kind of like a sad face curve. I know it looks really weird right now, but we're going to be connecting everything up. Alright, and then from here, just curve back up, and then now whatever space you have here, we're going to dip down and connect to this. Alright, and then let's go ahead and finish up the lower jaw. So I'm going to start right around here, curve up, right underneath the eye, and then to finish up the jaw, from here we just curve up right into here. Okay, so let's finish up the details in here. Here's a little nostril. And then for the teeth, I'm just going to draw in a few of them, and I'm going to draw the biggest one right here. I'm going to add a couple more. So if you like, you can add in more to make it look a little bit meaner, I guess. Alright, so I'll just leave it like that since I don't want to go too small with this Sharpie. Alright, so now we're going to finish up the head and neck area, and then we'll draw the awesome looking crest on his head. So right here I'm going to continue with this line. Curve down, and then we'll just stop there. Just kind of have it flow out this way. And then for his neck, right around here, I'm just gonna curve, and then we'll just stop there. All right, so now for the awesome looking crest, I'm gonna start on the back right here, go up, little angle, go up again, and now we're gonna curve all the way across, right above his little nostril right there. So just one big curve. All right, and then to add in some details, we can add in some lines right here, just kind of radiating up, just to give the crest some texture here. Okay, so let's continue on with the body. It's a really cool looking head. All right, so now let's start on the underside first. So I'm going to continue this down, and then now for his arms, a little shoulder right here, I'm going to start up here, just draw one curve coming down. And then here, for the lower arm, or the forearm, I'm going to go out. All right, so that's going to be one side. Now we're going to draw it in the back side. So from here, I'm going to draw another little bracket right here. It's got a little bump for the muscles. And then now for the back side, come down here. This will be the elbow. Now just curve, just meet up to this. So this will be the wrist. Okay, and then now for the claws. So we'll keep this simple. We're gonna extend this on the top. Curve, that's gonna be the top of the finger here. And then now we're gonna go back up. Okay, so it's like a little hook. Leave some space right here for the other digits. So right here, we're gonna come down and then just kind of go back up and connect to this. Okay, so that's two, and we're gonna draw one more in the back right here. So start at the wrist, go up, and then it's gonna tuck it right behind the other finger. All right, so now that we've drawn this one, we're gonna draw the one on the back. So this part is gonna be hidden from the this other arm, so it's gonna be a little bit trickier. So we just come down here first. So this line right here will be this. And now we're gonna go out again for the forearm. And the wrist is gonna be right here. Just gonna draw a little curve, and it's gonna be behind it so we can't see this. Okay, so now let's draw in the other claw. So it's gonna be very similar to this. Okay, so we're just gonna come out, little hook, hook back up. Now for the space here, come down and then just go back up. And again, let's just add one little curve this time. We'll make it slightly different from this one here. Okay, so those are the arms, and let's continue on to the rest of the body. Now we're gonna draw in the tummy area first. So we're gonna continue with this curve, come down. Let's give him a little bit bulge right here on the tummy just to give some more detail. So we're gonna curve down. And then now let's come back up here and finish up the top. So we're gonna start here, curve, just stop right here. So we're right around the same spot right here. Okay, so now we can draw in the legs. So I'm gonna start right here. Let's draw one line down. So there's gonna be multiple joints right here. We're gonna bend it backwards, and then we're gonna go forward. Okay, so we're gonna start on the back side now. Right here, come across. Right here, so this is gonna be one joint. Now we just kind of follow the same slant, and it's gonna be a little bit tighter, getting smaller, and then this part will just come down again. Okay, so now for the foot, I'm gonna extend this. That's the back of the foot. Now I'm gonna draw the claws, go out, just kind of tip it down again. Little hook, just come back. Now we're gonna draw one more digit right here. go out, and then just come back to the back right here. And it looks really strange, so we'll have to extend this line right here. That will give us the other digit. Okay, so let's see. Now that we have the front, let's draw in the other one on the back side here. So I'm gonna start right here. Again, it's a little bit strange at the beginning. Okay, so this little angle right here is pretty much this. Now we're gonna come down, so one more joint. Now we're gonna draw the back side, which is gonna be this right here. Okay, and then keep this simple. We just kind of go out, just kind of tuck it right behind there, so we won't see it. Okay, so that is pretty much it. The rest is gonna be a lot easier now, because I know the arms and legs are always very tricky on a dinosaur. Okay, so we're gonna finish up the back. So right here, we're gonna give it a nice little bulge right here. And to make it a little bit stronger here, I'm gonna continue with this line. I'm gonna curve up. Now for the bottom, we're gonna continue with this curve all the way behind the legs. Okay, and then for the tail, we're gonna go out, and I don't have enough paper space right here, but you can pretty much just kind of go out, and you know, you can bend it up, you can bend it down, whatever, or add some wavy line to it. So this part is really up to you, and it's very easy to draw. So just draw a little wavy line, and then whatever you draw here, continue on to the bottom. I'm gonna start right here. Okay, so it's just gonna get smaller and smaller. All right, and then coming back here, let's add some more detail just to make it a little bit more interesting right here. I'm just gonna add a little curve, and this will give it some more musculature and folding of the skin. So right here, add a little line, just another crease, even here. It makes a big difference in drawing. Okay, just some more musculature. We're gonna add a little line here. And we can even add in some lines right on the tummy right here. Alright, so that is it for this very cool looking dinosaur. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.